Okay, so now we're going to do conversation, and I'm just going to ask you questions, and I'm going to try not to interrupt you, but if you say something that's not quite right, I'm going to write it down and then I'll tell you maybe after the conversation, or maybe I'll use it
Okay.
in the next or maybe I'll use it in the next lesson. Okay, so you just had a pretty long holiday, the May Day or the Labor Day holiday, and
Yeah,
you,
it's a 5-day vacation, and I have a short trip to Zhejiang province
okay,
for 3 days.
and what did you do there?
Um, wow. uh, I I went to my friend's memory
Wedding,
um
wedding.
wedding. Yeah, wedding.
Okay,
Yeah.
what were you trying?
And
What were you trying to say besides wedding?
mm,
Thinking of a different word.
is it a word like may memory eh?
Memorial.
Memorial.
That's usually if somebody dies.
Really? Oh, sorry.
So yeah, you went to his wedding, I think is good enough.
Yeah, their wedding, and there is a river in the city. So after the wedding, I went to the riverside to take a walk, and there are many bars there.
Okay. Were you with a friend or just by yourself?
Oh, with my colleagues,
Okay. Like
friends. Yeah.
3 or 4 people.
Oh, seven of us.
Okay. 7 people
Mhm.
from the wedding.
Yeah,
Ah,
7 people.
and,
Mhm.
and your friend was there too, the one getting married, he was with you?
Nope, they
Oh,
were busy.
they,
There are, yeah, there are many their friends in their wedding.
oh, so it
So
was a big wedding.
yeah, there are I think um about 30 tables people, and about 10 people for a table.
Oh, wow.
300 300 people
So
there.
the wedding was not in a church. It was in like a big restaurant. The
Yeah,
celebrant.
it's in hotel, and there is a big hall for the meals and for the
Hall.
wedding.
Yeah, a big hall.
A big hall.
Okay, so a big hall, and so they got married. Maybe they just went to the registration and registered their marriage, and then they came to the hall for the big celebration. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
yeah. In fact, nowadays many wedding have a series of sections, and some are from Western countries, I think, such
Many,
as
yeah, many wedding.
to change the rings.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
so like in this wedding, did she wear like a white dress, like in the Western?
Yeah,
She
yeah,
did.
certainly. Yeah, she have sh the bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, bread. The bread had two uh two suit. One is wedding dress,
Dress.
and
dress-
the second one, the
dresses.
second one, yeah, the second one looks like a dress, more
Oh,
more traditional.
oh. Did she change dress at the
Yeah,
hall?
she had to change.
She had to
Oh
change.
no, there is a room for the bride to change.
Ah, okay.
Mhm.
So is
And
there?
there are many games during the wedding.
Okay. Now in the West, the traditional wedding, they have a big wedding cake. Wedding cake.
Ah, nope,
No, no wedding.
no here.
Not here.
No wedding cake.
So did they first go to like a church and then come to the hall, or no?
Um, many people don't go to the church.
Oh.
Church.
Okay, so they just maybe dressed up very nice and came to the hall to celebrate their marriage with their friends.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
I understand.
Some people, if they have the one of my friends celebrated his wedding in the church 2 years ago.
Oh, okay. So some do and some don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in the West, sometimes the bride's father will pay for the wedding. How about in China?
Really?
Yes. Yes.
Bride's father pay for the wedding.
Yes.
Oh.
But I think in China it's not. I think the man.
Yeah, it's not.
The groom, we call
The wedding.
The groom.
Yeah, the wedding cost all belongs to the groom's family.
Groom, GR.
Groom's. Yeah, groom's
so
family.
the father of the man pays for the man's father pays for the wedding. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Interesting.
Sure, everyone attended the wedding will give them red pocket.
Red ticket, red envelope, red.
Yeah, red envelope.
Oh, everybody gave them a red envelope. Okay. Oh, interesting. And they put some money.
Put some money in it.
In the West, people give gifts. Yeah, they bring a gift.
Only gifts.
I think the more traditional marriage is you bring a gift, but the more modern marriages, sometimes they have a website and you can give them money on their website for their marriage. Yeah.
You have to launch a new website, right?
For your marriage, you can put a website and you can put like, I need a new bed. We need a new bed or something, and people can buy you that, or they can give you money. I think
so it's a long job, long work.
No, because
they need to list all the things all they need.
Yeah, but it's good because then they don't get two gifts that are the same. Maybe if they just were having, some people give them something and the other person also gave them the same thing. Like,
Yeah, it's a type of waste.
Yeah, it's a waste. So that's why sometimes I think people do that. It's not too difficult because
Oh.
there are companies that already have the websites for you. You just put in your name and what you need or something like that, and then you
Oh,
send the link to your friends. And
wow, sounds great.
yeah,
So is there any companies to set the website to others?
yeah, it's all done already for you. Everything done.
Oh.
You just put in your friend's name. No, you just get the link and you email it or send it by chat to your friends,
Mm-hmm.
and they can go
Mm-hmm.
there. And
Oh, okay.
I think they probably have
So I
something. They probably have something
Mhm.
similar in China, I think.
um it's not so common in China, but if my cousin married, I will give him a furniture such as sofa, fridge, refrigerator,
Refrigerator.
yeah, microwave, or something, TV, something like that,
Okay.
as a gift to him.
Okay. Good.
Because he is my cousin, if my friends or my co-workers marry, I will give her red envelope
Oh,
instead.
something smaller, not so big. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to end this lesson in which we talked about the wedding you went to, and some differences between the Western wedding and the Chinese wedding. And so let me end this.